Everyone, welcome to the Tech Guy, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you are new to this channel. So with this video I'll be talking about how to create a WhatsApp channel. How to create a WhatsApp channel. So first of all, make sure you have installed your WhatsApp and you have signed in or creating your account. So open your WhatsApp and visit the update tab. You realize there are 4 tabs in here: chat, update, community, and call. So visit the update tabs and visit the channel. You realize at the channel section there is a plus sign at the top, right corner. There's a plus sign, so tap on the plus sign. Just have to tap on the plus sign and you tap the create channel. Continue. So in here you just have to type in your channel name, any name that you want to, and you type in the description. So after you're done with that, you just tap on the create. So that's it. You have created your channel and you can share your channel to those who are your target audience. So that's it. That's the simplest way to create a WhatsApp channel on your phone or on your device. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe if you love this video, and see you on the other side.